Ciao Tesla people. I wanted to do a video for undocumented changes there in the software update, the 2024.38.2. I just installed it a couple days ago, and there are some undocumented changes, okay? So, beside the ones that we already knew, that Spotify, the free Spotify from December, and then the side mirror tilt, okay, there are some other changes, and actually the diagnostic tool. I wanted to show you actually the diagnostic tool. So if you go to Wi-Fi, now I set up an access point on my phone, and you get to your access point, you get a diagnostic, and there is the SSID, the MAC, the IP address, and then you get the channel, some data about the strength of the signal, the download speed. For example, via my phone now I'm 11 megabits, and then a ping to check the delay. Okay, so this is the diagnostic tool. Now if you go to what's the other one, software, you get the autopilot full self-driving computer 3. So you get this mentioning that you have the autopilot hardware 3. So these are the two ones that they included. So the hardware version, and then there is another change that is called Curve Assist. So basically, in certain region, Italy, I think it's available worldwide, but it says in certain region. Okay, Tesla has added a new curvature assist feature that allow your vehicle to perform sharper turns while on autopilot. Okay, so this is autopilot related. When the feature is active, the vehicle will display curvature assist active in the visualization area. Okay, so if it works, you'll get a notification in the visualization area. We talk about the hardware, the information about hardware 3 or hardware 4 for full self-driving. Okay, Wi-Fi diagnostic tool. We did that. Now, certain people talk about improved voice recognition. So this should be available worldwide for all cars. Users are reporting that voice recognition has also been improved in this update for varying English dialects. I guess, I have an accent, I guess. Dialects, maybe British, English, Australian, New Zealand, maybe Indian and some other places. So English dialect, Tesla voice command system now better understands different accents and performs commands more reliably. That's pretty good. And that's it. So these are the undocumented changes that people figure out. Most likely there are other ones. In time we will get more information. Okay, I'm just scrolling through the site to see if there are any other ones, bug fixes, improvements. I didn't mention last time, but there is a LiveOne powered by Slack Radio. This is not relevant to Italy, but most likely to US. So the streaming app has been changed to LiveOne. To access the LiveOne icon in application launcher requires premium connectivity or Wi-Fi connection. I don't have it, so most likely it's for the US. Mirrors and Spotify. Okay. So anyway, please check out my Tesla referral. If you're buying a Tesla, any Tesla, right now you can get up to 1,000 euros or dollar discount with my referral. So check it in the description. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.